Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy M12. So first, open Settings on your phone and then go to Display. First, enable the dark theme because it will save you so much energy on your phone. You can enable adaptive brightness, but I won't do it because it may blind you. Then scroll down to Screen Timeout and shorten this time to around 30 seconds or 1 minute. Then go into the battery options, battery and device care right here. And right here you can optimize your battery if anything goes wrong on your phone with it. Then you can go into the wallpaper and change the wallpaper to a dark colors, not anything bright, and don't use animatic wallpaper. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.